If you haven't seen part 1, in part 1 we are do the modeling of this character. In this video we are going to add materials and textures. So without wasting time, let's just jump into it. First of all, we're going to shading tab, adding a new material. And what I'm doing now is adding some skin tone. I like the nose color to be more reddish. Now it's time to add dress color. Until now, I just simply select an object and adding material to it. But what I'm doing now is adding multiple colors to a single object called assign materials. For making this content more helpful, let me explain it. For example, let's say you have a cube like this. You add a material to it, but you want some part of your object to be a different color. You simply press tab, and when you're in edit mode, select a part of your object. With your faces selected, press add and assign. Now you have two materials in one object. You can add as much as you want materials to a single object. Now let's get back to the business. I don't like to play with colors until I found something that I'm happy with it. adding texture for some little details. And last but not least, adding some sticker to the character. If you enjoy watching, I appreciate you to like and hit the subscribe button. Enjoy the review.